It took the prisoners to the edge of town, red ribbons in our hair, marched us up and down along the river, but I wasn't there, and neither was my sister. As the pigeons cooed and the sunset sharpened every stone in our shoes, every old scar in our pink cheeks to be known. But I wasn't there, and I didn't see the bodies spinning. I didn't hear the drummers sing or see their hammers a bleeding. No. Every lawyer, dentist, mother-to-be is blind as each other, but it's harder to see when the fog rolls in. Not just old brown foxes in shoe boxes in the attic under the stairs. I don't wear it around my neck and I don't wash my hair, 'cause I wasn't there and I didn't see the bodies spinning. I didn't hear the drummers sing or see the hammers a bleeding. No. Well, George Price was a good man, but he buried his heart in the hot sand of the desert, opened his neck like an envelope. Whoa, whoa, da-da. But I wasn't there, and I didn't see the bodies spinning. I didn't hear the drummers sing or see their hammers a bleeding. No, no, no.